two AI powerhouses, one for creators, one for knowledge seekers. When you put Runway and Perplexity head-to-head, which one really delivers? On the left, Runway, the AI video and content creation studio. On the right, Perplexity AI, your trusted search, research, and Q&A engine. Let's skip the buzzwords and see what these platforms actually do best. Each category scores points, and by the end, you'll know who comes out on top. The result might just surprise you. Picture this. In today's battle, here's the blueprint. First, we are checking out core functionality. Then, search and knowledge powers, creativity and media generation, UX, and how well you can collaborate with folks, what you're paying, and finally, who's actually winning hearts out there. Got your head around it? Let's roll. Starting off with core functionality. I mean, what can these tools actually do at their heart? So, Runway is kind of wild if you're into visual storytelling. We're talking text to video, image animations, some really realistic motion edits. Creators absolutely love it for media projects. The downside, it's kind of a one-trick pony. Awesome for media, but don't expect deep research features here. Now, Perplexity AI, very different vibe. If you need smart, cited answers or want to synthesize info from across the web, this one's crazy reliable. It even hooks up with other big AI models for those advanced Q&A needs. But yeah, almost zero media design stuff here. If you got to pick a winner though, for sheer creative tools, Runway takes this round. Next up, search and knowledge. Here's where Perplexity stretches its legs. Runway lets you search assets inside your projects, which is handy, but if you're after web-scale facts or research, nope, not happening. Perplexity, on the other hand, is just built for this. Real-time search, cited sources, research workspaces. So if you need answers, quick, detailed, and referenced, you want Perplexity. Collaboration's solid too. Just don't look for slick video workflows here. Bottom line, Perplexity absolutely owns this category. Creativity and media generation, oh man, Runway is basically the playground for filmmakers, designers, anyone who wants to push visuals. You have text to video, motion edits, image conversion, and the videos, high realism, insanely cool. It's seriously a game changer if you want to make stuff that looks pro. The catch? It's not going to help you answer trivia or write essays. Perplexity can spin up images or short answers, but honestly, if you want real content creation, it's not the tool. Easy win for Runway here. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know Runway actually powers AI-driven music videos for major artists? And Perplexity, well, not only is it now a super trusted research platform, but it's in the rumor mill for a huge Apple partnership. Talk about hitting the big leagues. Okay. UX and collaboration. Let's see how these feel. Runway gives you a very visual studio vibe. Drag, drop, organized projects, team-based media work. Pretty intuitive if your team's into content. Perplexity, though, comes in with a clean, minimal search/research interface. And you can share results, track citations. Very pro if you're collaborating on research, but not built for studios or creative asset workflows. Both honestly do their thing well, so I'd say it's a tie. All right, the price. Here's where some folks tap out. Runway's got those professional creative plans, but warning, the cost goes up fast when you want all the features. Worth it for pros, but maybe not for casual users. Perplexity actually has a killer free tier for basic search and questions, and their pro plans sit at $20 a month. Even enterprise options are pretty reasonable. If budget matters, Perplexity is the obvious wallet-friendly winner. Lastly, popularity and market buzz. Runway is big in creative circles. Music videos, ads, movies, you name it, people are using it to fuel wild visuals, but not something you'll find on every student's laptop. Perplexity, though, it's getting a reputation fast. Top picks for research, tons of trust from pros, and with rumors about an Apple buyout, people are definitely noticing. It's not famous in entertainment, but in AI search, major presence. So, Perplexity snags the win here too. Ready to see how all those details stack up visually? Check out this radar chart. Runway spikes on creativity and media, while Perplexity just dominates search, pricing, and, honestly, the overall market buzz. Pretty clear where each one lights up. So, here's my take. If you live and breathe media, want cutting-edge video tools, Runway is your studio sidekick. If you need fast, trustworthy answers for work or study, Perplexity is the way forward. Choose Runway for creative play, Perplexity for laser-sharp research and Q&A. Found this breakdown useful? Hit that save button so you've got the facts handy. There's plenty more AI showdowns coming. Don't miss out.